Hello guys, today we are here to show the use of AND function, which is very useful when we have multiple conditions to check. If both the conditions are satisfied, then it will produce some result. You could put many conditions together, such as 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever condition is required. For this purpose, I have used this one. Like I want to give some discount, but criteria is the course must be BCA and the student must be passed. Then only we will apply the discount, otherwise not. So for this kind of condition, we have to use the AND function. AND means course must be BCA and student must be passed. None of the condition, if any of the condition will fail, it doesn't work. Both of the condition need to be both condition needs to be satisfied to produce some result. So I just check E2 equals to BCA, then G2, that is pass or fail. Here it must be pass. So here you can see in the first E2 and G2, the course is accurate, but the result is fail. So it doesn't produce any result. So if this condition is satisfied, I just write 1000, otherwise 0. So wherever these conditions, both conditions satisfy, it will show you the result. Otherwise, it will show you 0. Here, I just change the course, so BCA, so that will produce some results. So that is the use of simple AND function. And you can put any condition. If you have 3 conditions, 4 conditions, you have to put it inside that AND bracket. And after that, you have to write the value, which must be available when the all conditions are true. Otherwise, that will be shown 0. Thank you for your Thank you for the watch. And if you like the video, you can subscribe, share, and like us. And keep watching for more exciting videos and short tips regarding this one. Computers makes easy your life. And